Upbeat music playing, rocket hey there, tech enthusiasts. We are diving into the cloud with today's focus, Introduction to Azure Kubernetes Service. If you are looking to unlock the true potential of container orchestration in the Azure cloud, you are bang on target. With more than a quarter of enterprises experimenting with Kubernetes, understanding Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is essential. Let's begin by uncovering the powerhouse it is in a cloud container orchestration. Fire introduction before jumping in, let's understand the term AKS. It's a fully managed Kubernetes service offered as an API-driven solution on Azure, combining the robustness and scalability of Kubernetes with ease of use provided through cloud offerings from Microsoft Azure. Why AKS? Here's why. White heavy check mark. It's a cost-effective way to run big-scale applications across the vast Azure cloud. White heavy check mark. You can leverage Azure's superior compute and storage capabilities. White heavy check mark. AKS makes it easier for teams to deploy and manage containerized applications. Sparkle's real-world example flexed biceps. Imagine you are deploying Drupal for a content management system with DrupalFX, a cloud-native distribution of Drupal. Utilizing Azure and Azure CLI, AKS can handle this high-demand setup without the overhead of maintaining Kubernetes infrastructure. Here's a quick Azure CLI command. Shell as AKS create resource group myaks source group name myaks cluster node count is equal to 2 generate SSH keys, and just like that, voila! You've got an AKS cluster. Triangular ruler implementation architecture. Despite its complexity, AKS architecture is intuitive and well documented. It encompasses Service Fabric cluster running on Kubernetes, Cluster Manager and Resource Controller orchestrators, Managed HPA, Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, Service Mesh with Istio integration. To bring life to your concept, visualize how Azure AKS enables orchestration of microservices on Azure, enhancing your application's resilience and scalability. Range configuration walkthrough. Now let's get